Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a video that's very special and close to my heart. I am here to share how my little daughter, who is now my oldest one, decided to announce the arrival of her baby sister. I was overwhelmed by her thought and I decided to support her in making something simple yet beautiful to gift friends and family while we announce her arrival. So let's check out the little hands paint the tags with love. Firstly, I started off with a base that measured 3 inches by 5 inches and I folded it into half and gave it to her. Onto this, she stamped these cute little elephants. I chose stamping because I thought it would be easy for her to make multiple cards without getting tired. Onto these cards, she started watercoloring the balloons first. She took her own sweet time, but I think she did a real good job. Patiently coloring all the water balloons. She chose the color pink because it was a baby sister. Once she was done painting all the balloons, then she went ahead and just painted a little streak of green beneath the elephant. We just didn't want the baby elephant to be floating there. So she carefully just made a streak of green there to look like grass. This was a very easy project, but for a 4-year-old in finishing so many tags patiently, I think it's worth appreciating. Next, I went ahead and mixed a very light shade of grey and finished the card by watercoloring the baby elephant for her. Not any difficult watercoloring, just basic watercoloring. I just filled in the elephant with a light shade of grey. This was a very simple design and very quick to make. We made around 50 of them in less than an hour. But all I wanted to do is I wanted to support the thought of my little daughter to announce the arrival of her baby sister in a special way. We were all happy that we had a daughter and we wanted to announce it in a very sweet and simple but yet a special way. Here we go. I finished off the card by stamping in the sentiment inside that says it's a girl. With this, we finished making these cute little baby announcement tags. You can see the close-up images of the finished tags here. I really liked how these baby announcement tags turned out. I hope you liked this video and we were of some inspiration to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. And also, if you haven't done it yet, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Also, do follow me on my social media channels. The links are given in the description box below. Thank you.